System errors causing the All.library DLL crashes in Localized Application Resource Manifest. I'm Sophie Chen, a Senior Windows Support Engineer. Let's troubleshoot the gap and automate the repair. To start the walkthrough for All.library, you can use my manual guide or the suggested resource for system optimization. This is the All.library, a generic naming convention used by several proprietary applications to store their primary logic module. It is common in specialized industrial software or legacy database managers. Because it lacks a standardized parent, a missing All.dll error usually requires a full reinstallation of the specific software that triggered the message to restore the localized file. Now that the technicals are covered, let's run the official installer. The file, All.library DLL, is required for Localized Application Resource Manifest to properly initialize, and a full reinstallation of the application. Encountering the error will fix the issue by restoring all unique third-party dependencies. If no luck was had with the redistributable package, we will escalate the fix by performing a targeted reset of the system state. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the All.library file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. With the reboot complete, check your status. If you're still seeing that error, here is the next phase of the fix. Remember, you can pause the video at any time. Rebooting didn't restore the monitoring tools, so let's run a command to reset the performance indicators. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type locktr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, these files rarely suffer from physical corruption. Instead, their registration in the performance hive becomes desynced. This command purges those stale entries and rebuilds the registry links. A brief word of caution: not all solutions found online adhere to professional security standards. Don't risk your computer's health by downloading All.library DLL from random internet sources, which often harbor hidden tracking scripts and ransomware. As an alternative to frequent manual checks, a secure maintenance utility can help keep your system environment on track. For users seeking a more stable workstation, the utility linked below references All.library configuration concepts. If All.library is back online, please consider subscribing. It's the best way to support our mission of providing safe, verified technical solutions.